In this video, let's talk about the increased sensitivity that can happen as you awaken, and also the activation of the emotional body that can happen as you awaken. So when you first start to realize the lies that we've been told, what normally happens is you become angry. You feel anger, frustration, annoyance, all those types of things. And there's a lot of power in those emotions. So what I invite you to do is harness those emotions and use them as fuel to create change, to do something about it. Whether you're creating change in your own life or you take on a big humanitarian mission or anywhere in between, use those emotions. They're normal. It's normal to feel these things. Don't push them aside because that creates stagnation. But let them flow and use them in a healthy way. Use them as your fuel to create change. As you awaken, your emotional body will become more activated. And it's very typical that you will develop more sensitivity. Now, this looks different in different people. Sometimes, it's just more of an awareness of how other people around you are feeling. And sometimes it's more of an awareness within yourself of you feel more sensitive emotionally, intuitively, just when you go outside, like you feel the birds or the plants or the sky or whatever it is. You feel more, you sense more, you have access to more information, because what's happening as you awaken is receptors within your body and being are opening. Receptors in your nervous system are opening. Now, for me as a channel, I really experienced that as I began channeling. All these receptors in my nervous system started to open. And so it required more grounding. It required, more self-awareness about how to manage my energy. That sensitivity is due to more things opening within your body and being more receptors, more energy flows becoming unstuck and unblocked, and more energy flowing in you, and just generally more working through you, more light coming in. I'm going to say this a lot in this video series, talking about the light coming in, because as you awaken and you release the old, you create space for the new and more light comes in. That's the whole point of all of this, really, is to embody more light. And in that light embodiment, more things awaken within you and you feel more, you sense more, you know more, you intuit more. And this is a double-edged sword because you want access to more of your intuition. You want access to more of your nervous system. But then it's also more to manage. And so you will want to set that intention to be a master of your energy, to be a master of your domain, your body, your temple, your body and being, and the energy that flows with you. You're going to want to learn to set boundaries because maybe you won't be able to go in the grocery store the way you used to, or to shop in certain places because you'll become more sensitive to the smells or the lights or the colors or just the busy environment or whatever it is. And it doesn't mean that you're going crazy or that something's wrong with you. It just means that you're opening up more sensitivities, more receptors, totally normal and natural, but you're going to have to find tools to help you deal with that. One of the tools that I use is a process where I take you through activating your soul essence. I have many videos on this in the Creation Temple, maybe even a few on YouTube. Honestly, I don't remember because I've been doing them for so long, but activating more of your essence, filling yourself with you so that the other stuff doesn't get to crowd in, doesn't get to take space within you. You want to fill yourself with you first. So anticipate that you'll become more sensitive, that you'll have more awareness about certain things, that you'll perhaps be more emotional, that your emotional body will be activated, that you'll feel more. That's all part of it. It's all normal and natural. It's part of the spiritual awakening journey. Again, thank you for watching these videos and this series. And if you like it, please go to creationtemple.com, send me a little donation, and look for the next one in the next week.